Okay, here we go. Booster loves roasted red peppers. Here we go. That's a big one, Booster. That's a big one.
Okay.
Thank you, he says. That is not a Twizzler. That is a red pepper. It's very tasty, huh? Hey, dude. It's good, right? It's good? Whoa, you just put it away? There goes the red pepper. I know you want another one, but you've had too many. Yeah, it's going to be a mess tomorrow. How about a pea pod? You want a pea pod? Yeah, alright. Those are crunchy. Yeah, it's crunching. Yummers. Yummers, yummers. You got red stuff all over your face from red peppers. Okay. Like that pea pod? You've done really well on your vegetables tonight, dude. Very, very well. I guess it helps to have salt and olive oil and garlic all over them. That probably helps. Let's see here. And then one more pea pod. Oh. Thank you. What are you doing? Yeah, that's good stuff. Okay, can you say bye? Oh, you're all done? Are you all done? All done? Or more? All done. All done. That's the sign for all done. All done.